What is up, everyone? Today we're here. We're gonna be replacing my interior with black suede, and for this we got adhesive and then vinyl and fabric black spray, matte black. Blacking out my headlights as well. Yeah, I'll show you guys the interior how it is right now, so I can show you guys before and after. And this is Miguel with the blog. You guys met him already?
What's up?
Yeah, I'll show you guys how to do this. Is it okay if I show them your interior?
Oh yeah, it's open.
Alright. So this is what the end results is going to be looking like. It looks super nice. Way better. Makes a night and day difference for sure. Let me show you guys the front. Yeah, way better. And for these, you just use a drill and just take these things out.
Yeah, just Phillips.
And it's pretty simple for these. And then we'll show you guys how to pop these out, that, and take out the liner. You just get a flathead and you just pop these out.
Yeah, you can use whatever. I just use a flag just to get under there, but it's tough.
Yeah, it's tough to get it out, but it's possible.
Yeah, like that.
And you just pull it out.
Like, you want to try that side? Oh yeah.
And then
you get the you get the Phillips. I'll use a drill for this, and just.
So everything's pretty simple for the most part.
Yeah.
And to take these out, you just put a flathead in right here.
Just pop it out.
Pops right out.
Pops out. And then there's 2 screws in here that you grab. You just bend these a little bit.
Bend those so you can get to the screw.
And then, oh wait, do you have a flip Phillips that's gonna reach in there?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, because I think this one's too big.
So the drill is too short, so we got a longer one. Just take them out. So yeah, you just unscrew the screws with a screwdriver because the drill is too short, and just pop it out, and it comes right out.
Yeah, to disconnect the harness.
Yeah, just disconnect the harness and you have it out. And this one's simple too. It's just this one little drill bit here. And then we'll show you guys how to pop this one out. So you just pop it out with the flathead too, like we did earlier with that one. And there's 2 screws, and then you just pop it out as well. So it's kind of the same thing as that, or it is exactly the same. Just comes right out. And then disconnect the harness.
This one's a little tough to get to.
Same thing with the back ones, use a flathead. Just pop these out and wiggle them in and just take them out with the screws. Man, putting all these bolts in back when you take things out so you don't lose them, because you don't want to have missing bolts all around your car. So you can see we just put them all back in. So now we're moving on to the headliner. Just pop these out.
All I do is pull them out like that. Like that.
And they pop out that easy, guys. So just grab it and
you just
pop it out. Just like that. So for these, you just pop it out.
like that.
Yep. Pretty simple. I'm taking off these clips. Just be careful with them because they will break. Let me see. So make sure you get this gray part off from the black part. So you see here, I'm separating the gray from the black, and then you just pull it out after that. But just make sure you don't get the black part because these will break easily. And then for these, right here on the side, just 14mm socket. Just unscrew them. Same thing for these. Just unscrew them and you just pop them out, right? So we'll get back to you guys once we take them off. So yeah, just once you get it unscrewed, it just pops out like that, and then you just pop it out. Oh man, this one's tough. Yeah, it just pops out just like that.
Angle it. There you go.
Like that. Simple.
Easy.
So yeah, same thing with these. Just unscrew it, and then you pop it out. And then same thing with these liners. You just grab it and you pop it out. Like that. Very simple, guys. Very simple. Could get it done in one day. Forgot, guys, to record. Sorry, but with this, it'll just simply just slide out. You just gotta get it unstuck from the screws like this, and it should just all fall down, and you should be able to just slide it out. So it's gonna be kind of hard to record, but you guys just put the seat back all the way, get it out through this side of the car. Sorry for. Oh, okay, yeah. Angle it up like this, and you just kind of have to slide it out like this. Get that out from right there. And just like that, you just slide it right out like this. And yeah, now we got it out. Also, we forgot, we gotta take these off so we can spray paint both and get the full handle and these little covers. Pop this out like that, and you pull these things out, the little covers. And then you want to show them how to put the things back, because they probably won't know how.
Yeah.
To put these back. It's pretty simple, guys.
So to put these back, you just slide it back in there. And you grab the, oh shit. You slide them back in there like this. And you grab the metal piece. And you put the metal piece facing the same way as the hole. So it lines up perfect like that. And put them through these two little holes. You'll see it'll line up right there. And then, yeah.
So it's pretty simple. Just hit it back and forth with the spray.
Just do light sprays at first.
Yeah, light sprays. And then let it dry, and then you hit it with the second coat, right?
That's all you do.
For these electrical pieces, we would recommend covering it with masking tape for the light, so we don't mess them up. And then with these, we're just lining everything up and just spraying them down. So yeah, everything's pretty simple. Luckily, this guy's done it for 2 other Subis, I mean. This is the 3rd, so I got experience. Well, he has experience making things go by way faster. I'm spraying all these down as well. It's gonna look so much better after. Gotta go black with everything.
Black out.
To peel off all this, you just grab the end, and then you just start peeling it off everywhere. So it's pretty simple, guys. Just grab an end and just peel it all off. I'll get back to you guys when it's all peeled off. A quick tip, guys, work around the edges. Make sure you guys get all the edges and go slow. Take your time. You don't want to crack this. So just make sure you're taking it nice and slow, peeling it off, getting it done right. But yeah, we got it all peeled off. Did get some cracks here and there. But yeah, for the most part, just take it nice and slow. Get it all peeled off. And then it should be looking like this. It's nice and clear. And get this nasty thing out of here. Get out of here. Trash. Alright guys, so what we're doing is we put the liner on this box. It's pretty simple. You can find a box anywhere. Line up the fabric. Leave a little bit hanging on one side, and then leave the rest hanging, because you're going to want to use as much as possible that you can for the pillars if you're going to be wrapping the pillars. And yeah, you just cover it all, and then we're going to be doing a straight cut right here, and then the rest of this we'll just be doing little cuts and just putting it back in. So as I said, now that we got all this hanging on this side, we're just doing the straight cut all across, so we could have all this left over for the pillars, and then we'll be able to just move freely with this without dragging down the weight on the frame or whatever. So what we did is we folded it back halfway, and then what are we gonna do?
I'm just gonna spray it like this, like a spray can.
So just spray the adhesive all throughout. Overlap it, back and forth motion. He said we're gonna be putting this back, and then we're gonna be laying it across. So doing one half at a time. And you guys do want to be courteous with the spray. Make sure you're spraying it good, so that
Don't get on yourself either.
yeah, don't get on yourself. And yeah, just be courteous about it, so you don't want to have to come back in here and then have to respray it again later on. So hit it good so you get it done right. So now we're just laying it back over. After we sprayed it down.
When you do this, you want to straighten it out as much as you can.
Yeah, we don't have the wrinkles or creases in it.
Yeah, straighten it out.
So then once you got all the wrinkles out, just press it down in the middle.
Just down the middle, just let it spread it out.
And start spreading it out. Get it nice and flat and even with all the surfaces. Get all those wrinkles out. Have it nice and smooth. It's my brother, guys. But yeah, if there's air pockets here, you could always just peel it back open and then respray it nice and good.
If there's any open spots, you can always just peel back.
Yeah, peel it back, respray it, and get it all nice and flat. Get all the bubbles out. Same thing with here. We're gonna have to open it up and just get this out because you don't want that. Yeah, just respray it heavily too, so it doesn't open up again. Gotta get the curves good. Pro tip, guys: don't use a box, use a table. We were struggling over there and we didn't think about it. So yeah, don't use a box like that. We use a table. All right, now that we got this side done, same thing as the other time. Just peel it halfway back. Spray all this down. Make sure you get it all good. Spray it down good. And yeah, just repeat the process. So on this side is definitely gonna be tougher. So with these curves, you're gonna wanna spray more than usual and around the corners to make sure it sticks nice and well and it lays flat with the whole surface. So yeah, like we said in the corners, you see these pockets, just peel it back and then just give it a good spray.
Never spray too much.
So you can get it nice and stuck. Oh.
Let's take that off. We'll take that off now.
Get the corners nice and well. Yeah, that should stick. So you guys want to start off with the cutting right here, and then from here we're just gonna cut straight back down, and I'll get back to you guys once we get that done. Also, guys, I have been spraying these at my own need, so everyone is different, so you guys are gonna all want to have to spray them differently and how much you need in certain spots. So just throughout the process, make sure you guys are spraying these down. Seatbelt covers in here, I'm just putting a plastic bag over it, and I'll be spraying it with the can like everything else. And yeah, just put the bag and just spray it down, all four. So for these, you're just gonna want to cut the square out, so pretty much just outline all the indents, and wherever you need to put the stuff back, just cut it out. We also have to make the holes for those screws we took out earlier. If you guys don't remember, in the back, the four little tabs, I mean. So we're gonna have to make holes for that. How we're finding the holes is we're just feeling with our hands, feeling with the hole.
You can look under too.
Yeah, you can look under too, but you can just feel the hole. We're just gonna poke a hole with the knife, and that's about it. And all the holes, one here, one here, one here. And just cut little holes with scissors again. Got the cuts here, the cut here, the 4 clips in the back. We stabbed holes again. Just feel it with your finger, not too hard. And yeah, we just stab them with a knife. Also, guys, we did forget about the handlebars, so make sure you poke the holes for those too. The handlebars. So yeah, make sure you get those. All right, so now that we got the front side done, from the back, we're just going to pull it straight, and then you just want to tuck it in from the back, and then spray the adhesive as well, and just stick it so it's pulling everything nice and tight and straight. So just turn it over, pull it up, straighten it out, and then spray the adhesive. And it's gonna be all around, and I'll hit you guys up when we got it all done. All right, guys, now that we got it all tucked and glued on, you see all around, just cut to your fitting. Make sure you got all your cuts right, not covering any holes. We have to trim it here. And yeah, just glue it all along the edges and just glue it on nice and tight, flat, so it's looking even under. And yeah, pretty simple. Make a pit stop because I cut open my finger pretty bad doing it, but yeah, we'll be back and finishing it later tonight. But yeah, guys, with the remaining yard of fabric, I just lined them up to see how much each would need, and I'm just gonna trim it with the amount needed for each piece. And yeah, yes I am. And yeah guys, so just lay them out and then just cut around just for each piece to see how much it needs. Alright guys, so I finished the panels. Well, my mom helped me. You can see came out really nice. Left a little bit left over so we could tuck it in and make it nice with the finger. But yeah, it came out really nice. Here you go, closer look. Yeah. Alright guys, we finally finished. This is what it looks like now. As you can see, very nice. Very nice, look at that. All the pillars looking very nice. You can move it. Much better than before. Yeah, this is how you do it guys. Just put it back. How we took it apart. You could rewatch it. But yeah, pretty simple.